In this video, we are going to see how we can get rid of this annoying error that whenever you are trying to access any particular website, whether you are on Microsoft Edge, whether you are on some other browser, it might show you this message that can't reach this page. Server IP address could not be found, and the error is DNS probe finish bad secure config. So I know it is a very frustrating error, and we are going to see some of the techniques that might work for you. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we need to do is just head over to the internet section where your internet is mentioned, whether you are using the LAN connection or Wi-Fi. Right click on it, click on network and internet settings. And from here, just go to advanced network settings. And from here, whatever Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection you're using, just access that and click on edit. And from here, just head over to the IPv4. These are all the options that you get in Windows 11. Obviously, in Windows 10, it might look a little different, but it is the same options basically. So just head over to this, click on properties, and under here, you just click on use the DNS server address down here. And from here, you can enter any preferred DNS server, 8.8.8. So we just mentioned here 8.8.8.8, and it's up to you if you want to mention the alternate server or not. But just click on OK and close and try to access that again. I'll just close my Edge browser wherever I'm facing that problem, and let's try to access again. But still, I am getting the same error. So if this doesn't solve your problem, maybe that is issue with your date. So as you can see, right now we are in 2026 and it is still showing the old date. So just right click on it, click on adjust date and time. We just click on set time zone automatically, turn this on, set time automatically, turn this on, and make sure the time is accurately fixed. And after that, all of your problems should be gone. Close the browser if you need to, and there you go. Let's try to access the website again. And as you can see, the issue is fully fixed and resolved, and we are able to access any website without any problem. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.